Can you stack mattress toppers? If you're considering adding an extra layer of comfort to your bed, you might be wondering if you can stack mattress toppers. Let's break down the details to help you make an informed decision. First, it's important to understand what mattress toppers are. They are additional layers you place on top of your mattress to enhance comfort, support, or adjust the firmness. These toppers come in various materials like memory foam, latex, down, or wool, each offering different benefits. Now, can you stack these toppers? Technically, yes, you can stack them, but it's not always the best idea. Here are some things to consider. When you stack mattress toppers, the height of your bed increases, which can make it difficult to find sheets that fit properly. This added height can also be a safety concern, especially for children or people with mobility issues. Stacking multiple toppers can lead to an overly soft bed, which might lack the necessary support for your back. This imbalance between comfort and support can result in discomfort and potentially harm your back over time. Different materials interact in various ways. For example, stacking a memory foam topper on a latex one could result in an unexpected firmness or softness. This interaction can affect the overall feel of your bed. Heat retention is another issue, particularly with materials like memory foam. Stacking multiple foam toppers can cause overheating during sleep, which can be uncomfortable and disrupt your sleep quality. Instead of stacking toppers, you might want to consider a few alternatives. Using a single, thicker topper could provide the comfort and support you need without the complications of stacking. If your mattress is old or unsuitable, replacing it might be a better option. You could also combine a topper with a mattress pad for balanced comfort. When choosing the right topper, assess what your current mattress lacks. Select the right material based on your needs, for instance, memory foam for contouring, latex for a firmer feel, or wool for temperature regulation. Ensure the topper is the right thickness and firmness for your sleeping position. If you tend to sleep hot, look for toppers with cooling technologies. Always check the size to ensure it matches your mattress and read customer reviews to understand the topper's real-world performance. If you have allergies, consider hypoallergenic materials. Finally, think about ease of cleaning and set a reasonable budget without compromising on quality. In summary, while you can stack mattress toppers, it's essential to weigh the potential benefits against the possible issues like fit, comfort balance, material interaction, and heat retention. Exploring alternatives might be a more effective way to achieve a comfortable and supportive sleep environment.